What happens when you mix cheesecake, apple pie, and sugar cookies together? You get a seriously addictive dessert, y'all. I'm going to show y'all how I made my no-bake cheesecake with a festive holiday twist. But first, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I am always trying stuff at home, y'all. I love different flavor combinations. And so when I saw this, I knew I had to try it. First things first, you need a springform pan and you need to smush some holiday cookies into the bottom. I used to work at Nestle, and so this is how we make cookie cakes all the time. You're gonna put this in the oven and bake it at 350. I cannot tell you exactly how long I left this in the oven, so please don't get mad at me, but just start with 20 minutes and check till your desired doneness. While it's baking, I'm making the no-bake cheesecake. It's just a block of cream cheese, a half cup of powdered sugar, some lemon juice, and vanilla. I cut the recipe in half because I have a tiny little springform pan that actually came with my Instapot accessories. We just be using what we got over here, but if you have a big, like a regular size springform pan, then just double this recipe. And now you fold in the whipped cream. I'm just using half of this 8-ounce tub. And the filling is done after this. It's honestly so good. I could eat it straight from the bowl. But I'm not going to be greedy today. The cookie cake is done now. It's looking all vibrant and festive. And then I'm just going to scoop that no-bake cheesecake mix right on top of the cookie cake after it's cooled down a bit, of course. Let it cool down a bit. And then smooth your cheesecake on top of it. Then I just covered mine with some saran wrap and put it in the fridge. You can put it in for 4 to 6 hours or leave it in overnight. And then the cheesecake is done. You could stop there, but I like to be extra all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate and embellish this cheesecake. First, I'm going to pipe some of my whipped icing. This is my favorite recipe. I make this from scratch. If you want to see how I make this, I'm going to link the video right here. I actually used the Jell-O cheesecake pudding mix in the whipped icing recipe, so it complemented this cheesecake so well. But my favorite part has got to be the apple pie filling. I just got a can of apple pie filling. I did not feel like making it from scratch. And I'm going to scoop like half the can on top of my mini little cheesecake. And there were like 2 extra Christmas cookies that I baked alongside the cookie cake. And I just crumbled them up and sprinkled them along the border. Some Christmas sprinkles would have worked great on this as well. I just didn't have any. But this came together so nicely, and it is seriously so good. I'm not even playing, y'all. I ate like 2 slices of this, and then I had to share with my kids. But next time I'm gonna make a personal one just for me. This was just the perfect trifecta of flavors. Cheesecake itself is so good, but having sugar cookies as your crust is next level. And the apple pie filling on top just makes the whole thing burst with flavor. If you try this, please let me know in the comments how you like it.